Let us learn about the first lesson of your English textbook, that is Healthy Life, which is written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Dear students, the theme of this lesson is health. Yes, health is very important to us, right? And nowadays we come to know that what is the value of our health because of this corona, isn't it? Dear students, this lesson tells you a very interesting story to know the value of good health. So, in this lesson, you will learn how to lead a healthy life. Understand? Before starting this lesson, let me explain you in brief the pre-reading activity which is given in your textbook. So, all of you please look at the activity in page number 1. Some images are given. What it explains? Listen. It explains about a morning walk. First image shows a boy is waking up. Second image shows two children are running. Third image, a person is walking early in the morning. Fourth image, the farmers are working in their farms. Next, an image of a bird. Next, people are doing exercises. And last but not least, an image of the sunrise. And finally, an image of a healthy boy. Now, look at the circle with the keywords given below. This circle is related to those images and explains about the morning walk. First of all, we should wake up early in the morning and we should go to the walk. While walking, we can feel the freshness in the air. The morning dew means ibani, looks like a pearl on the plant's leaf. If we walk beside a river, we can get the calm and cool effect. While walking, we can look at the farmers who will be working in their farms, and also we can listen the chirping of the birds. Chirping means the sound of the birds. We can look at the people who will be doing their exercises. We can come back at sunrise. So like this, we can live a healthy life. Dear students, the morning walk is really good for us to be active. Understand? Now, you can prepare a passage with the keywords given in the circle. So, by using this, create your own passage and write it in your textbook. The space is given in page number 2. Now, let us start our lesson. I will read. You should underline the new words in your textbook. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping. Underline the word leaping. It means jumping. Jumping. About the earth was the healthiest place that you could imagine. And it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches furious. Underline the word furious. It means very angry. Veryangy. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. What did you understand by these paragraphs? Many years ago means in the olden days all the people were strong and healthy. Why? Because they were eating healthy foods like fruits and vegetables with love. And they were doing exercises which includes running, playing, jumping, etc. So, of course, the earth was the healthiest place. All the people, children, adults led a happy and healthy life. Understand? And they were in good mood also. One of the witches was jealous or angry to see this condition on the earth. So, she planned to prepare a potion. Potion means drink. If any person drinks this potion, they won't want to live. Understand? So, that night all the witches gathered in the forest. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. What did you understand by this paragraph? While uttering the word, one of the witches made a mistake. Understand? Because of mistake, the forest was completely destroyed. Till now. Dear students, let me continue in the next session. Now, you take your assignment. Write the meanings of the given words. First one furious, second one potion. Second question, which was the healthiest place that you could imagine? Third one, who was furious? Fourth one, what made the potion go wrong? Fifth one, what happened after the explosion? Thank you.